Funny one.
What the dog doing?
Hi guys, and welcome to Crypto Solutions, here to help you make the best decisions in cryptocurrency, any cryptocurrency technical analysis. Today's Bitcoin technical analysis YouTube video. We are going to be talking about what is the Bitcoin price going to do right now in short term. So, from what I mentioned on my last video, my previous two last videos about Bitcoin price was following this big funny wedge pattern, and still you can see that it tried to break out, invalidated that bearish breakout, came and retested this support, then retested this resistance, got rejected exactly at that resistance, as I was mentioning, that if the Bitcoin price manages to go to this range around here, then it will face strong resistance around this $39,100 level, and you can see that right now it perfectly touched that resistance and then got rejected. So right now guys, what is the Bitcoin price going to do right now? So right now guys, from what I'm seeing here, also this head and shoulders pattern is still in play for the moment, but I can delete this bearish breakout right here because the Bitcoin price came back to the pattern, to the funny wedge pattern right here, and then right now it's still hovering around this support resistance range right there. So right now guys, as long as the Bitcoin price stays inside this big funny wedge, then there will be no trade just yet. This was a fake out, boom, came right there, and the bullish breakout, when it breaks out of this resistance around this, let's see, around this $39,100 level and comes at least to this $40,000 level, then that would be a bullish breakout to the upside. And then if it can hold support around this resistance, which can be turned into support after the Bitcoin price breaks out, then expect for the Bitcoin price to start going higher to at least this $69,250 level, which will be the technical price target for this big funny wedge. So right there, that's what I'm seeing the Bitcoin price, and still these head and shoulders patterns hasn't been invalidated just yet, because this is the neckline, this yellow line right there, which is all the way up from here to this $44,250 level. Okay, so still this head and shoulders pattern is still in play right now. So and at the same time you can see this funny wedge pattern. So as long as the Bitcoin price keeps getting rejected, then expect for further and further confirmation for these head and shoulders to be met. It's not a high likely scenario because of the low price target around this $15,000 level. That is a technical price target for this head and shoulders, and still this is not the most likely scenario, but that is what the charts are showing. Okay, so right now I want to also mention the update on this monthly time frame, because something happened which I didn't like in regards of this confirming a bearish price movement to the downside. Because right now guys, I want to show you something right here. So I'm going to hide the drawing, so I'm gonna pull out this, let's see, this EMA ribbon right here in the monthly time frame, because that wasn't it. That wasn't the one. Okay, so here let's see guys, so it will be the EMA ribbon, but the 4 EMAs, this one, the quadruple EMA. So right here guys, this is not good because this monthly body candle close, this monthly body candle close below this purple line, which is the 14 exponential moving average in the monthly time frame, which is not a good signal. This is a very bearish signal going back to the previous cycle. So in other words, as I said before in my videos before, so as long as the Bitcoin price can remain above this purple line, which is the 14 EMA, the exponential moving average in a monthly time frame, then the Bitcoin bull market can still keep going high, we keep continuing. But right now I can see that body candle close in a monthly time frame below this purple line, which is the 14 exponential moving average in the monthly time frame. That is a very, very bearish indication, because in the past, I'm going to show you, without fail, every single time the Bitcoin price closed a monthly body candle close below this purple line, this 14 exponential moving average in a monthly time frame, has confirmed the bear market. As you can see right here, I'm going to go back from the first cycles right here. I'm going to show you how powerful this indicator is. So right here, you can see as long as it kept going above this purple line, it remained in a bullish stance. In the short term to mid term, in the long term, the Bitcoin price is still in a bull market. But right now, in the short term to mid term, you can see that as soon as that monthly body candle close below that that purple line, the Bitcoin price went even lower. How low? From here to here, it went an additional 67% to the downside. Boom, continuation on the downside. Right here, guys, I'm gonna show you again. Here, that's one. And also the same before I go to the next cycle, the same as it can get really bullish as soon as it closes a monthly body candle close above this purple line. Boom, retest, and continuation to the upside right there. Here, guys, I'm gonna show you real quick this next cycle right here. I'm gonna just there, okay, and boom, as you can see right there, boom, continuation to the upside, and then retest there, and boom, as soon as that monthly body candle close below that purple line, it then made a recovery, but then immediately again started going to the downside, and that was from this purple line to here was a continuation to the downside of around 55% right there, 54% right there. And you can see as soon as the Bitcoin price closes a monthly body candle close above that purple line, boom, continues to the upside, and same as here, boom. This was the pandemic, so this was an exception, and then again monthly body candle close above this purple line, continues to the upside right there. And right here, guys, so let's see if this has confluence, because I want to see something right here. So right now the Bitcoin price closed a monthly body candle close below this purple line, and right now if it were to pull back, let's see, at least 48%, let's see, from here to here, that would be around like $21,000 for the Bitcoin price, potentially right here to the $25,000 range. Wow. So remember, guys, right now this has indicated without fail an end of the bull market if the Bitcoin price closes a monthly body candle close below this purple line on this 14 exponential moving average. Also, you can support my YouTube channel by clicking the Patreon link in the description below, where you can get an elite VIP crypto investor membership, where you get an immediate short-term buying opportunities, immediate short-term selling opportunities for Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, Chainlink, and cryptocurrencies of your choice. Also, you get technical analysis updates for Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, Chainlink, and potential cryptocurrencies of your choice 5 days a week. Complete overview of the cryptocurrency market 2 times per week. Start of the week and end of the week. Elite VIP Crypto Investor Discord group chat. Live updates where I tell you my buying targets and my selling targets immediately when I do them in the exact moment. And you get to see when I buy and when I sell cryptocurrencies in live time. Live weekly long-term cryptocurrency price updates, which is the podcast where I complete an overview of the cryptocurrency markets. And also I will tell you with a high certainty the Bitcoin tops and Bitcoin bottoms with certainty during Bitcoin cycles and in the long term. So if you are interested in regards of having a person who can lead you to the correct cryptocurrency path with a high certainty, then you can click in the Patreon link in the description below, where you can get a 10% discount when starting out this month, and at the same time you get access to my complete overview of the cryptocurrency market, and also I can teach you how to navigate with this market so you can have an edge at the cryptocurrency market as time passes, and at the same time you get to learn how to look at the cryptocurrency market with a professional overview. It confirms the bear market from short term to mid term, but in the long term it's still in a bullish trend. It hasn't gone bearish, never in the long time frame for the Bitcoin price. So right now also you have to remember, guys, that there's a freaking huge bearish divergence right there. Lower highs in the monthly RSI indicator and higher highs in the price action. So that is not a good thing, guys. Like, you have that huge bearish divergence in a monthly time frame, and also this this monthly body candle close below this purple line, which is the 14 exponential moving average. That's not good. That's not good, guys. So what can happen with a low probability, but this will be like hopium, is that this for the first time ends up being a fake out to the upside, which can happen because this year and last year has, for the Bitcoin price, it has broken some historical things that goes back for 13 years from now, from 13 years back. So it can still happen. This can be still a fake out. It can maybe, okay, this has a low probability just because it has never happened, but it can do that, okay? So assuming the Bitcoin price keeps doing things that has broken the historical price indicators and also different sectors going back 13 years back, then let's see if the Bitcoin price can, before this month, close a monthly body candle close above this purple line, which is the 14th exponential moving average, here around this $42,800, or at least right there, to confirm this as a fake out. Okay, maybe a fake out, because it can do this, but it can then continue to the downside like it did in the previous cycle right here. Let's see, boom, and then boom again, and then continues to the downside. Right now, this is a very consolidated most likely scenario right here. It would most likely, the Bitcoin price would most likely have to consolidate and even go to the downside, because just this is a guys, this is a monthly bearish divergence. Like, this is massive. Right? This is the monthly time frame, so this takes time. So this takes time in order to do this to then keep going upwards, because right now that is what the Bitcoin price is indicating right now, which is not good news. But remember, the very good news is that right now you will have more time to accumulate Bitcoin before it finally recovers from this massive monthly bearish divergence, and also this massive bearish body candle close in the monthly time frame below this 14 exponential moving average, which is this purple line right there. So that's the very good news. And also this means that the Bitcoin price will most likely go higher using the Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve. Why? Because I'm going to show you right here. So remember that here, I'm going to pull out this Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve. You can see here that as long the Bitcoin price follows this Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve very well. I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna put this in log scale there, so it's easier to navigate right there, right here. So you can see that as soon as the Bitcoin price touches the top of this line, this white line, the top of this logarithmic growth curve, it then tops out goes back to this bottom of the Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve right here, and then again to the upside after it consolidates for some time, and again right there. As soon as the Bitcoin price tops out around this top of this Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve, then goes back to around this range, maintains this as support, and you can see here the Bitcoin price didn't touch, it still hasn't touched this top of the Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve right there. So the longer the Bitcoin price takes to reach the Bitcoin cycle top, the euphoric stage, the massive massive tower shot, like I like to call it. I just invented it right now. So right now, the higher the Bitcoin price will go. Why? Because it will look something like this. It will be like this, guys. Look at this. Here, assuming it's gonna increase like this, assuming it's gonna increase like this, the longer it takes, you can see that the higher the price will be. This is around the $222,000 level right there. So if it stops off here around the, let's see, September of this year, then it will be around this $200,000 for the Bitcoin price right there. And it can do that because when it's on euphoric stage, this can do this. But this is not a guarantee. It can do this and then boom, start like going like this, and boom, tops out at December. Okay, it can do that. Okay, from September to December, it can do that. But right now, like this can be a massive wow, double bottom scenario. Wow, whoa, kind of. It's whoa, wait, wow, that's massive. Boom, 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 and boom. Wow, that would be massive if this double bottom scenario will play out. Let's see the other side just a second. Wow, wait a sec, let's see. Here, boom. That would be if the Bitcoin price can manage to bottom out around the price targets that it is right now and start going higher, that would be a huge hitting bullish divergence, because you will see, for example, lower lows in the other side and higher highs in the Bitcoin price. That would be a huge bullish divergence if it were to happen. Okay, that's like a scenario that can happen, but still it's not confirmed. Okay, here, and if it were to be this, like a double bottom scenario hitting bullish divergence, then the price target would be like this, from here to here. Wow, that would be massive. That would be around this $164,000 for the Bitcoin price. Okay, and it would make sense because right here, if it goes like this, euphoria stage like this, would top out almost exactly to the technical price target right here. It will meet this technical price target, and also it will be on this top of the Bitcoin logarithmic curve scenario right there. It will be around this $188,000 right there. So it will make a lot of sense. But remember, this is like a theory. This is like what can happen, but still there's no confirmation that this will happen. But this will be a likely scenario if the Bitcoin price bottoms out right here and starts recovering. Then that will be huge. Boom. Okay, that's why I say the longer it takes for the Bitcoin price to top out, the higher it will go. You can see right there, because if it tops, like for example, if it tops out in April, which most likely that will not happen, but if it does, most likely it will be around this $168,000 for the Bitcoin price right here, using this Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve top of the channel line right there. Okay, but remember, guys, this is not financial advice. Okay, this is just what I'm observing and what the Bitcoin price can do. These are the likely scenarios. And the lowest the Bitcoin price can go using this historical Bitcoin logarithmic curve, which hasn't been invalidated, is this bottom of the line. That bottom of the line could be around this $28,000 level right there, and this $30,000 level. Those would be very, very strong supports because of this range right here. And yeah, guys, that's what I'm seeing here in the Bitcoin price. Wow. And still, let's see here, this body candle closes in the monthly time frame still. Right now, if a monthly body candle close for the Bitcoin price closes below this range, around this $34,580 level, then that will confirm a very, very almost guarantee continuation to the downside to at least this $30,000 level around there, $28,000 level to this $30,000 level. And also it will confirm the bear market from this short term to mid term, because remember, this massive uptrend has had already 2 corrections, so it would not make a lot of sense to keep going lower like this. Okay, maybe not even testing that $20,000 level. Okay, because usually when you see a Bitcoin price increase of this magnitude, you can expect for a retracement to at least to the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement. So I'm gonna pull it out from here to here. That will be, which already has been met, as you can see here. Now, this Fibonacci retracement has already been met from this low to this top. Let's see, wait, I'm gonna to this top. Okay, this will be a very good buying opportunity if the Bitcoin price retraces to this $31,000 level. Wait a second. Wow, wait. So I'm gonna put this exact. There you go. This is an exact Fibonacci retracement from this swing low to this swing high right here. And you can see here, I'm gonna delete this. Ah, come on, not the drawings. Wait a sec. That counts as a drawing, dang it. But you can see, guys, if you follow that red wick, it bounced, it came down almost exactly to that yellow line, this Fibonacci retracement around this 0.618 Fibonacci retracement on this $32,802 level, and boom, it bounced. Like, wow. And the same as here, really good buying opportunities here, right here. Okay, so right now, still, this is this is just kind of maybe conflicting scenario, because it looks bullish using this Fibonacci retracement, but using lagging indicators, it doesn't look bullish. But right now, as I said, Bitcoin price has to recover, okay? Because this is not good. So in summary, what do I think is most likely going to happen for the Bitcoin price right now? Right now, this is like a 50-50% scenario. Like right now, personally, it's hard to say what the Bitcoin price is most likely going to do right now. But what I can say is that as long as the Bitcoin price doesn't close below this Fibonacci retracement right here, is $30,923, which is the 0.65 Fibonacci retracement around this $30,923 level, and this 0.618 Fibonacci retracement around the $32,802 level, which doesn't close a monthly body candle close below neither of those lines, then this will most likely continue to the upside because of this massive Fibonacci retracement right now. Okay, but the most likely scenario is for the Bitcoin price to keep going down. Okay, maybe recover a little bit, but as long as the Bitcoin price doesn't close a monthly body candle close above this purple line, the exponential moving average right now in the monthly time frame, which is the EMA ribbon, of the 14 exponential moving average, which is the 14 EMA purple line, which I'm gonna show you real quick right here. Again, this let's see here. I'm gonna delete this. As long as the Bitcoin price remains below this 14 exponential moving average in the monthly time frame, below this purple line, then I would say the Bitcoin price is in a bearish market, from short term to mid term. So, and as soon as the Bitcoin price can recover above this 14 exponential moving average, which is the purple line in the monthly time frame, which is the 14 exponential moving average, a purple line in the monthly time frame, then it will continue going most likely higher and confirm the scenario I said, this double bottom scenario, W pattern scenario, and the hidden bullish divergence scenario also. So right now, that's what I'm seeing right now, the Bitcoin price, guys. So very important, immediate support levels. The immediate support levels will be here, guys. I'm gonna show you real quick. I wanna just hide this just because there's a lot of lines right here, but I wanna hide those right there. This daily time frame right here. I'm gonna delete this EMA ribbon in just a second. And also, guys, I want to draw this new CPR pivot points. As you can see, this pink line is the CPR monthly pivot points, and boom, perfect rejection and came back. So I'm gonna draw this the new monthly pivot points, which comes every new month right here. Comes almost every single month. So I'm gonna turn this CPR indicator. I'm gonna draw the lines right here. Quickly, this is from here, there, here, let's see, there, here, there, and here. This would be another pivot point right there. And I'm gonna turn this off. There you go. So this will serve as really strong resistance, okay? And if the Bitcoin price can go above this, wait, there. I just turn off the log scale, okay. So these pink lines are very strong resistance, okay? When the Bitcoin price can manage to break out of these 3 monthly pivot points, the central pivot points in the monthly time frame, and confirm this as support, then expect a continuation to the upside in the daily time frame. And also it will coincide with this bullish breakout in the falling wedge pattern right there also. And at the same time, I want to show you guys also this pattern right here. Let's see, in the 4-hour time frame. Let's see. Here I saw this pattern right there. See, the Bitcoin price was following this pattern right there. You can see this was like a ascending wedge. Let's see right here, guys, real quick. This can be like 2 patterns at the same time. This can be like look at that, like ascending triangle kind of. Let's wait a second. Let's see. Okay, so this let's see right here. The scenario which this can be determined would be like the following. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. This was like following this. So let's see. It's just right now this was forming also like an inverse head and shoulders right here, but it then got invalidated right there. That price would be all the way up to, let's see, that would be all the way up if it didn't got invalidated to that $41,180 level, which got invalidated. So next pattern will be the following. Let's see. Because this support line, you can see support, and breakout, confirm as resistance, and then rejection, and also rejection because of this white line also. So let's see right here. This is like an awkward, like ascending triangle kind of pattern, because you can see right here, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, breakout, confirm as resistance, and then continuation to the downside. This also can be perceived like this. Let's see, from this wick to this wick, like that. Also, wait a second, guys. I want to just, my computer's running out of battery. So there you go. No, it's not running out of battery. So, okay. So right here, this can be also be perceived as this. Also makes sense. You can see support here, support there. So this is also a confluence support line right there. This can be like this. This looks cleaner. So the price target, if it were to break out to the downside in the 4-hour time frame, which right now the price is below this support line. If the Bitcoin price closes 2 4-hour body candle closes below this support line, then most likely this will continue to the downside to at least retest the support line around this. Let's see, this $33,550 right there. And if this can't hold support, then it will go to the technical price around this $31,800 level. Then find support around this orange line right there, and most likely here. Okay, those will be very strong support lines right there. That will be the, like, this will be a trading opportunity right now. And since this is but remember, guys, this is not financial advice. So this is what I'm observing. So this is the potential trading opportunity right there. So AM has confluence with this pink line, which is the monthly pivot points, which I already drew before and I showed you guys. So that's what I'm seeing right now for the Bitcoin price, guys. This is like a long video, but this is like an Bitcoin bull cycle update, and at the same time looking at the short term, mid term, and long term for the Bitcoin price right there. And still, guys, let's see. I'm going to go to the daily time frame right here. So right now, using the simple moving averages, guys, Bitcoin price got rejected using the 21 simple moving average in the daily time frame, and then it can't hold this 8 simple moving average in the daily time frame. It's now below that. That's not good. But right now, guys, that's what I'm seeing in the Bitcoin price for the moment. I already told you the support lines right here will be around this orange line, around this $34,180 right there. This $32,400 level, that will be very strong support also. And then the last line of support kind of will be this $28,800 level for the support line. The monthly pivot points also is a strong support level around this $31,640 level. So yeah, guys, that's what I'm seeing in the Bitcoin price for the moment. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video, guys. If you enjoyed this YouTube video, guys, leave a like, comment, and share this YouTube video with your friends, guys. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto Solutions, if you haven't subscribed yet, guys. And also, guys, click the bell notifications to stay ahead in the cryptocurrency market using my Bitcoin technical analysis YouTube videos right here, guys. And also, guys, you can support my YouTube channel by clicking the Patreon link in the description below, where you can get an elite VIP crypto investor membership, where you get an immediate short-term buying opportunities, immediate short-term selling opportunities for Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, Chainlink, and cryptocurrencies of your choice. Also, you get technical analysis updates for Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, Chainlink, and potential cryptocurrencies of your choice 5 days a week. Complete overview of the cryptocurrency market 2 times per week, start of the week and end of the week. Elite VIP Crypto Investor Discord group chat, live updates where I tell you my buying targets and my selling targets immediately when I do them in the exact moment, and you get to see when I buy and when I sell cryptocurrencies in live time. Live weekly long-term cryptocurrency price updates, which is the podcast where I complete an overview of the cryptocurrency markets, and also I will tell you with a high certainty the Bitcoin tops and Bitcoin bottoms with certainty during Bitcoin cycles and in the long term. So if you are interested in regards of having a person who can lead you to the correct cryptocurrency path with a high certainty, then you can click in the Patreon link in the description below, where you can get a 10% discount when starting out this month. And at the same time, you get access to my complete overview of the cryptocurrency market. And also I can teach you how to navigate with this market so you can have an edge at the cryptocurrency market as time passes, and at the same time you get to learn how to look at the cryptocurrency market with a professional overview. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video, guys. Have a nice day, guys. Take care, guys, and peace out, guys.